Practice set 2.5, question number 2, third one. Quadratic equation is 3m square plus 2m minus 7 equal to 0, and using formula method you have to find the roots of the given quadratic equation. So compare whatever given quadratic equation, we will compare with the standard form. So here variables used m. So standard form is comparing with am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form. So we will compare this. In the place of a, coefficient of m square, here it is 3. So in the place of a, here we will compare quadratic equations. The standard form of quadratic equation is am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Variables taken as m. So here coefficient of m square is a. Here m square coefficient is 3. So a is equal to 3, and coefficient of m is b. Coefficient of m is 2. So b is equal to 2, and coefficient of c, coefficient constant value c is negative 7. So c is equal to negative 7. Now in the formula, m is equal to, here the variable used m, so we will take it as m equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here first we will write, in this m is equal to negative b, first we will find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square equal to 4ac, b value is 2, so 2 square minus 4 into a into c. 4 into a value is 3, c value is negative 7. If it is negative, put bracket. Now 2 square is 4. Here negative into negative, this we will multiply these three numbers. 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84, and negative into negative positive, so positive 84. So positive 84 plus 4 is 88. Therefore m is equal to now write the formula and substitute values in the formula. Here negative as it is, b value is 2 plus or minus as it is, square root of value of b square minus 4ac is 88. So here we will substitute 88 by 2 into 3. Next, m is equal to negative 2 as it is, plus or minus as it is. Now how to simplify this? This is one way, and another method also you can do. That is 88. Prime factorization method you all know. 88 can be divisible with smallest table 2. 44 times. Again it is divisible by 2. 22. 2. 11. So 11 ones are. So here while taking square root, we will make the group of same two numbers. Here we have same number 2 and 2, one group we can make, but here no pair for this 2. Here 11, no pair for 11 also. So this can't be pair. So here only one group we will get. How to write? 2 2s are 4 as one group, and 11 2s are 22. Here no group can be done. M is equal to negative 2 as it is, plus or minus. Now square root of 4 value is 2, so that 2 written outside the square root sign, radical sign, and this 22 is not a perfect square number, so written as it is. Next, m is equal to now here this is the first term, this is very important, you have to focus. This is the second term, and in both the terms, first term and second term, 2 is common, right? 2 is present in both. So 2 we will take as common outside a bracket. And now start a bracket and focus on first term. If 2 is taken out, what remains here? Negative, and nothing remains. So we will consider it as 1. So negative 1, and plus or minus as it is. And in this 2 taken out and remains root 22. Close the bracket. By 6 as it is. After taking common outside, we can simplify this. 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6. So now the answer is m is equal to negative 1 plus or minus root 25 by denominator is 3. Now here we will write the two values of m, that is plus or minus. First one is negative 1 plus root 22 by 3, or negative m equal to negative 1 minus root 22 by 3. Therefore the roots of the given quadratic equations are these two.